First use. Pair the Tap Pen controller with mTiny before the initial use. Once the devices are turned on, they go into pairing mode automatically. If pairing fails, press the power button and the confirm button on the Tap Pen controller simultaneously to re-establish the pairing. Keep the devices close together to make sure they are in range. After successful pairing, the question mark sign indicating on mTiny's right eye will disappear. Hold the Tap Pen controller and have a try. The joystick on it can drive mTiny forward, backward, turn, or rotate continuously. Or tap the coding cards to define mTiny's emotional expression as well as its movement. Before coding, please read the last page of the storybook for the features of different coding cards. Tap the input card first and read a series of commands afterward. Tap the Go card to complete the coding and make mTiny run the program. This storybook contains 18 coding tasks for children to grasp the basic coding concepts and logical thinking step by step, such as tap and read a task.
Challenge 4. Let mTiny move from the start to the carousel.
Think a solution and then run the program. You can also press the confirm button on the Tap Pen controller as an alternative to the Go card. Even mTiny is placed slightly misaligned on the themed map, it can auto-calibrate driving direction according to the commands. To make mTiny stop running the command, press the Stop button on the Tap Pen controller. mTiny can change to other personalities and behaviors. Put the Chica mask on mTiny, then place it on the start point card with the Chica print, and mTiny will shift its character to Chica. Chica has a very different personality and hobbies than mTiny, offering more playful game experience. For changing its role to Milo or Toby, just repeat the same process. Flip over the map and shift to the scenario designated A Journey to the Town. The traffic signs and life scenes on the town map reenact everyday activities or situations. Children can make use of the map to create their imaginative stories. For example, mTiny can become a police officer to catch the thief within 30 seconds, or become a doctor to help the wounded. mTiny responds to different scenarios with particular actions, facial expressions, and sound effects, adding more fun to its journey. Thanks for watching!